Today's science experiment, we are going to do a fun mixing of colors. So tune in. Here we go.
Can I do it too?
Yep. Go ahead and pour the milk. There you go. Pour the milk. Now we're going to put food coloring in. So do some drops of blue. Move them all over. And do some red.
Ow!
That's okay. Now we'll do some, when you want to do the green?
Yeah.
You do the green. Come. Squirt the green. Mix it all around.
Oh no, I got
Do
it.
dots all over. Do some dots all over. I'll do a little yellow.
I'll do it. Can I do it?
Do the green.
Can I do
You want to do yellow? Yeah. Okay, I will do the green.
This is kind of orange yellow.
It is kind of an orange yellow, isn't it? Okay, that's good. Put some over here.
Yeah.
There you go. Mix. Okay, now give me the food coloring. I think we are well stocked with food coloring. Now, let's go ahead and you take a cotton ball filled with dish soap and drop it in the middle. See what happens. What's going on?
One more.
Just wait. Just let it happen. We're going to zoom in. What is it doing? Wow, we added 2. How cool. Do you see? It's mixed all the colors. Kind of made it tie-dye. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. How fun is that?
Wonderful.
Watch it. What is it doing?
It's gonna do one more thing.
Look at it go.
Look it. Go.
How cool.